Kevin Richardson, one of the wrongfully convicted Central Park Five, visited Hampden-Sydney on Thursday, February 26th, to give a workshop titled Courage, Perseverance, and Resilience, or CPR for short, that taught young people and adults how to properly handle encounters with law enforcement. Richardson's visit was hosted by the Hampden-Sydney chapter of the NAACP.
That was well documented all over New York City in the papers about the brutal crime scene that happened to a young female. The only thing, they had the wrong individual.
The workshop featured a brief history of the landmark case that, in 1989, saw Richardson and 4 other New York teenagers convicted and sentenced to extensive time in prison for a crime they did not commit. The case made international news, and the young men were vilified in many sectors of society. The group's convictions were vacated in 2002, and they have since become known as the Exonerated Five. The main purpose of the workshop was to educate young people on their civil rights and how to interact with police and other authorities if approached.
But the word exonerated means to be free. And now, because I'm free from what I've been through, I became a motivational speaker / criminal justice reform advocate.
Richardson says he holds no bitterness for what happened to him and the other men, who he now calls his brothers, because, as he says, bitterness just makes you old. That, and he sees the incident as part of God's bigger plan for him. He has become a prominent criminal justice advocate and CEO of the Kevin Richardson Foundation, which fights for reform in the criminal justice system.
I'm optimistic, but I'm also a realist that we have long ways to go. But hopefully that we all come together, we can make a change.